Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Now I have made a beautiful wedding cake this week and I just want to share with you how I made it, and I just enjoyed making this cake and I hope you enjoy watching it as well. So come along and let's watch the video. This is a red velvet cake that I have crumb coated and I have set it in the fridge for around 30 minutes, and then I'm just going to final coat it. Now for this I have whipped the cream and then just going to cover it evenly using a piping bag, and then just smoothen it out completely. Now with a cake scraper which has got some design, any design you can choose, and then just roll the cake board again. So now you have a cake with a beautiful design ready. Now this is an 8-inch cake, and the height is around 4 inches. So accordingly I have cut the dowels according to the height of the cake, and we are going to place the dowels in the center of the cake so that the top tier that we place on the bottom one does not sink inside. Now when you're transporting the cakes and all, this is very important so that the cake does not sink and even it does not topple down or it does not become a little slanting. So if you place the dowels, it acts like a foundation and it will support the tiers that come above the main base cake. Now I have already kept the top tier ready. I have evenly coated it and I have put a design. Now when you place the cake, the top tier onto the base cake, you should just see that at least a 2-inch gap is there, difference of the size is there between the base of the cake and the top tier cake that is coming ahead. So now I have baked a 8-inch cake for the base. So I'm going to place a 6-inch cake on the top as the top tier. So difference of 2 inches will make it appear like this, and then the cake board on which you make the cake should be of the same size. Now if I'm going to place a 6-inch cake on the 8-inch base cake, then the cake board of the 6-inch cake should be of 6 inches only. You are not going to use a bigger cake base, and then you should always put a hole into the top tier cake board because you're going to insert a dowel in the center as well. So when you're piercing the dowel in the center, it should just go through the cake board as well. So you should just pierce it in the center so that the cake dowel gets inserted. Now here I'm using fresh roses and the combination of white and red. It just looks beautiful. And then I have just washed these roses and I have sun dried them and tapped dried them so that they're not wet when I'm placing it on the cake. And then just cover the base, the stems of the flowers and the leaves and everything that goes on for the decoration with some foil paper, or you can use some cling wrap, or you can even use straws so that they don't come in direct contact with the cake. And then go ahead and cover up and decorate the cake the way you want. This cake turned out really beautiful, and I got comments on how tasty it was as well. Now in case you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and in case you wish to taste my cakes, you can always place an order, and I am there on Instagram as well. You can place your orders by directly messaging me on Instagram. I am taking orders only in Goa at present. So and then I've just to finish it off, I have used some gold flakes here, and then I just placed some beads on the cake, and then this cake was completely done, and this is how the final look was. I hope you liked my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and until next time, goodbye.